may history. Si James Taylor was actually he was supposed to be married to a lady by the name of Susan. No? Unfortunately, si Susan died of cancer. No? So he wrote this song. Ang title is Fire and Rain.
Oh.
Pakinggan yung mabuti yung lyrics. You listen carefully to the lyrics.
Akala ko drugs yun. Akala ko about drugs yung Fire and Rain.
No. Yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I woke up this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. Seen sunny days that I thought would never end. Seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I won't make it any other way. Though I've seen fire and I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. Seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Been walking my mind some easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it will turn your head around. But there's hours of time on the telephone line to talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. Though I've seen fire and I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never